Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all will be fit and fine. Okay, let's start today's session. Today we are going to discuss some questions of chapter number 6. These questions are other than the exercise, or we can say these are the extra questions. Okay, let's start. And you have to write these question and answers in your notebook. You have to understand the question, understand the answer, then write down in your notebook in your own words. Right? Okay, let's start. The first question is, how does water extinguish fire? Then waters lower down the ignition temperature of the fuel or burning substance. Hence, fire gets extinguished. Right? When the fuel does not get the ignition temperature, then it will not burn, right? Okay. Now, next question is, how does a fire starts? So we all know that there are three main things. Number one, fuel, a combustible substance should be there. Then second is oxygen, and third is ignition temperature, right? Ignition temperature. If these three things are there, then the fire will, or we can say the combustion will take place. Fire will start, right? So simply we can say fire is produced by rapid oxidation or burning of a fuel. And three necessary conditions are fuel, then second oxygen, third is the ignition temperature. Okay, now next question. What is the color of LPG flame? So we all know the color of LPG flame is always blue. Now next question. What are processed or secondary fuels? What are processed or secondary fuels? Actually, what happened? Some fuels cannot be used in their raw form or the way that they are found in the nature. These fuels need to be processed by a chemical process before they are used. Getting? Then such fuels are called secondary fuels. As we know about the petrol, right? And diesel, and kerosene oil also. We cannot, cannot get the petrol directly from the nature. We cannot get the diesel directly from the nature, and it is the thing which we get from the nature, that is the petroleum. And we get diesel and petrol from the petroleum, right? So from the petroleum, diesel, and gasoline, and so many substances are there which we get from the petroleum as a fraction, right? So those fuels, simply we can say, those fuels which we get from the primary fuel, which we get directly from the nature, that is called primary fuel. And the fuel which we get from the primary fuel, that is called the secondary fuel, right? And you can write down the example also: petrol, diesel, kerosene, etc. Now question number 5. Why does charcoal not produce flame? So when you burn the charcoal, it will burn, but it will not produce flame. Actually, charcoal does not vaporize. It does not vaporize. So it does not produce a flame. Which substance can produce a flame? Which convert into the liquid form, then they will convert into the vapor. And the if that fuel या जो भी वो चीज़ है, अगर उसकी वेपर्स बनती हैं तब वो जलने पर फ्लेम प्रोड्यूस करेगी, अदरवाइज फ्लेम प्रोड्यूस नहीं होगी. तो बिकॉज चारकोल does not vaporize, that's why it will not produce flame. Now next question. What is a fuel? Next question is, what is a fuel? So it's very simple. You all know, a combustible substance, right? A combustible substance. Combustible substance which produce heat and light on combustion is called a fuel, right? Give some example of the fuel. So you know, so many fuels are there. You can write down. You can write down wood, charcoal, and kerosene, petrol, diesel. So many are there. You can write down some of them. Now, next question. Sorry. Name three substances used to extinguish fire. Name three substances used to extinguish fire. Then, what are the three substances? The first one is the water. It can extinguish the fire. Second is sand. It can also extinguish the fire. And the third thing is carbon dioxide, right? So these are the three things which can extinguish the fire. Okay, now next question. Coal is used in power generation. What is the power generated in such a way known as? Then the power generated by, with the help of coal is known as thermal power, right? What it is called? Thermal power. Heat is generated, that's why it is called thermal power. Okay, now next question. What is primary fuel? What is primary fuel? As I told you earlier also while we were discussing about the secondary fuel, the fuel which occur in nature and are used in the same form are called the primary fuel. As you can you know about the wood, it directly we get it from nature directly and we also use it directly. We can use it, है ना, हम सीधे लेते हैं और इसको जला देते हैं. And next is coal also. This is also the primary fuel. हमने कोल निकाला और उसको सीधे यूज कर लिया, right? So these are the primary fuels. Now next is why is sand used for extinguishing fire? Why is sand used for extinguishing fire? Then putting sand on the fire cuts the supply of oxygen to the combustible substance, right? When you put the sand on the fire, it will cut the supply of oxygen, hence the fire is put off, right? Okay. Then these were some questions which answers I have explained you. Now you have to write in your own words. Thank you.